Former rising star contestant, now recording artist, Laden arrested and charged for illegal possession of firearm. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 7 TV, where you get the best in local and international news on celebrities. O'Keefe Aarons, popularly known as Laden, has been arrested and charged for illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. According to information reaching Links 7 TV Celebrity Scoop from the Corporate Communications Unit within the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Miss Stephanie Lindsay stated that this has been confirmed by her team. She revealed that sometime last night, a black Mercedes-Benz in which the dancehall recording artist was traveling along with two other occupants was signaled to stop by members of the police. This took place in Cheapside, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. The dancehall recording artist was the driver of the motor car who was signaled to stop but disobeyed the police orders and sped off. A chase then ensued between the police and the vehicle in which Laden was traveling. The police gave chase, and during the chase an object was observed being thrown from the sunroof of the motor vehicle. When the police caught up with the vehicle, the occupants were arrested and taken back to the site where the object was witnessed being thrown from the motor car. A subsequent search of the area revealed a pistol and ammunition. All three occupants that was traveling with the dancehall recording artist, including a 16-year-old, were all taken into custody and charges laid against them. In the meantime, a number of people have took to social media in disbelief about what really transpired in the recent case involving this dancehall recording artist. A number of them have even said that they can't understand why these recording artists are getting themselves involved in criminal activities. Even though that is said, we'll try to follow this story and keep you up to date with more latest report to come on this, but this is really sad to be reporting on right now. As you know, Laden was a former contestant in the Jamaica Digicel Rising Star, and he rose to fame with his song Time to Shine, which garnered him that local and international recognition that he has been searching for. So it's really sad right now to be reporting on this to see what transpired with the dancehall star. And as you know, a number of our local stars are currently behind bars, including Vibes Cartel and Ninja Man, and just to name a few. But it's really sad to see what has played out here, and we just hope that he will not be found guilty of these charges that were laid against him. However, we'll just wait and keep you up to date with more details to come. Well, this is where I believe we're gonna leave you for now, taking you out with one of Laden's greatest hit song, Time to Shine. This has been Links TV Celebrity Scoop. We're out for now. Have a blessed and productive day.
Give me your so. These are the people that get the big breaking.